This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bet Barts. Gorgeous, immaculate, all brick condo shows fantastic and is located in the small, quiet community of the Lane at Wildwood. The moment you enter you will notice it lives large like a single family home. The floor plan is bright and open and boasts hardwood flooring, 9 feet ceilings west/crown molding, and wall of windows that provide natural light. The lovely great room features gas log fireplace west/granite surround, flanked by custom built-in cabinetry and wine fridge. Spacious Gourmet kitchen features a huge island, custom cabinets, extended granite countertops, new lighting, new refrigerator, large dining area west/access to private patio with pavers. A huge second floor primary bedroom west/ensuite bath west/dual sinks, jetted tub, tile shower, linen closet and large Y closet. Condo fee covers ground maintenance, sewer, trash, water, master insurance policy. Fantastic location, close to beach/bay, shopping.